Hi my dear friends, today we have one more unboxing video. We have one Huawei Scale 3, which is a very nice scale with Bluetooth. You can download the app and you can have all your data in your phone or computer. Let's start unboxing it and let's see what is inside the box. We have little damage here. This is during transportation. This happened by me, not by the company. But inside nothing happened. Here we go, we have our scale here. I like the color actually, very nice. White, clean. We have one color code here, we can download, scan the QR code and download Huawei Health App. Now I'm using my phone for recording the video. Later we will download and let's see. And we have our battery case cover. We can open like this and 1, 2, 3. 1.5 voltage battery, 3 pieces we can replace and we can start. And let's see all the things. We have our guidebook, quick start guide. In different language, and warranty card, and nothing else. That's all. This is our product. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Love you guys.